you're not already familiar with Ahrefs, this is one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market today. And it's going to allow you to do a whole bunch of different things, including spying on your competitors. To kick this off, what I typically like to do is I'll go to Google and I'll do a search for something like whatever service or product it is in whatever area that you're looking to offer it in. And then I'll look for the #1 ranked business and I will just grab their website URL, come over here, paste it in to the top bar and click search. From there, we're going to see an entire overview of their AI, basically AI overview, and then the SEO overview, as well as a bunch of other information going down the page here. And you can see on the left side that there's tons of different data you can explore, everything from paid ads to link building to content and everything in between. A very powerful tool with lots and lots of features. But some of the more impactful items, like this is predominantly an SEO tool. There are definitely other tools out there that do a lot more, but this has one of the largest databases of like backlinks and keywords and things like that that are being tracked. So if you want to check the SEO performance of a website, you can see what keywords the site's ranking for, how much traffic it's getting, the traffic that the site's getting from paid ads, paid keywords, backlinks, referring domains, the authority of the website, even the AI overview. This is extremely powerful these days to be able to see, where a site is showing up in tools like ChatGPT or the AI overviews on Google specifically. And then coming down the page, well, before I go down there, if at any time you want to learn more about any of these items, you can actually just click on where it's blue and turns orange when you highlight, like hover over it like that. And then we'll be able to see things like all of their different keywords, right? Which we can then filter down in any way using these filters at the top. So if we wanted to look for like, specific keywords that they're ranked for that don't have a super high keyword difficulty, we could check those and then go after those same keywords with our SEO efforts and get ranked for those keywords just in the same way that they have. So lots of powerful features here. A little graph that kind of shows you the organic position change over time. Of course, you can change the dates on these too, just to better understand how the trend is looking over time. Brand intent, referring domains, like it just goes on and on and on in terms of all the different data that you can capture, even seeing the overlap between the different competitors. So extremely helpful, especially if you're doing SEO, and you want to know how does my competitor look, or how does my website look? You just drop your link in here or your competitor's link in here, hit go, and get a full rundown of how everything looks. And the more information you have about what's happening in an industry, the more beneficial your marketing efforts can be. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.